Clearing your search history on Reliant funding is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your search history is removed effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Reliant funding website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have your username and password ready for a smooth login process. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Find search history option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select Clear Search History. Click on the option to clear or delete your search history. You may be prompted to confirm your choice, so ensure you follow any on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 5. Log out and verify. After clearing your search history, log out of your account. You can log back in to verify that your search history has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Reliant funding. Regularly managing your search history can help maintain your privacy and streamline your experience.